Morning. Saturday morning, Parkrun. Special one today. We are getting our Z at Zuiderpark. The one and only. There are other Zs, but this one's the most popular, isn't it? Yeah, let's see what this one's like.
Yeah. Oh wow! They all actually work.
And we are off.
Don't want to do it. Because I know that he can go faster than me, and then I feel like, oh god, I should go faster.
First kilometre, 6:29. Protected by the rest of the flock. Second kilometre, 6:46. Hold on, guys. 6:50. Fourth kilometre, 6:56. Thank you, Marshall. Fifth kilometre, 6:42. Thank you.
1:37 today.
Danke. And we are done. In. Lactate threshold adjusted.
Well done. I'm racing around America, vegan, and I see what struggle it is. Yeah. Hi. Here we go. Thank you.
Look on, Becky.
Oh, that one first. Here we go.
Thank you very much.
I've scanned and I still don't remember. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you for coming.
It's
Bye.
in, and then that one. Yeah. One scan. Yes, it is. It's in there.
Thank you.
Great. Well done.
And that is Zuiderpark Parkrun done. And our alphabet done. Just over 35 minutes I got for that one. Right, the sun a bit. A lovely course as you saw, all tarmac. Getting here, there's various trams, and as you saw, only weren't seeing because it's a different video. Watch my other video on my whole weekend experience. We got a bicycle from where we were staying, which was in the centre. It's about a 4 kilometre walk from the station, the centre. So you do need to probably use public transport unless you're really fit and want to go on and do a bit more than that. We flew into Amsterdam and we're sailing out of Amsterdam, but you can get sailings from Norwich, I think, into the Hague itself. Rotterdam, that's the one, Rotterdam. But yeah, you need to make your own arrangements for that. I say watch the other video and I'll put some pricing information for us up there. Anyway, thank you for watching. And they have a tarpaulin for bag storage. If like us. You're travelling light and you need to bring a bag and leave it.